In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Meet step by step. If you previously blocked someone and now want to allow them to interact with you again through Google services, the process is straightforward. Even though this affects Google Meet, the setting is managed through your Google account. So that's where we'll begin. First, open your Google account settings. You can do this from your browser, and if you're asked to sign in, go ahead and log into the correct Google account. This part is important, especially if you use more than one account, because the blocked list is tied to the specific account you're currently using. Once you're inside your Google account, look to the menu on the left-hand side and open the section called People and Sharing. This area contains settings related to your contacts, communication preferences, and account interactions with other users. Next, scroll down until you find the Blocked section. This is where Google stores the list of accounts you've blocked. Open that list so you can review the people currently restricted from interacting with you. If your blocked list is long, take a moment to carefully check the names or account details so you choose the right person. When you find the person you want to unblock, select the unblock option next to their account. This tells Google that you want to remove that restriction. In some cases, you may see a confirmation prompt. If that appears, simply confirm the action to continue. After that, the change is complete. The user is now unblocked and can interact with you again in supported Google services. If your goal was specifically to restore communication related to Google Meet, this is the setting that matters. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately notice the update, try refreshing the page or reopening the service. Sometimes changes apply right away, but a refresh can help you confirm everything has gone through properly. It's also a good idea to double check that you unblock the correct account, especially if the person has a similar name to someone else on your list. And that's all it takes to unblock someone on Google Meet through your Google account settings. Once you know where to find the blocked users list, the process only takes a minute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.